Welcome back to another one of our travel movies. Up now is our Coral Coast Part 1, Indian Ocean Drive to Kalbarri. This is part of a 2-part series. In Part 1, we leave Perth and we travel up the Indian Ocean Drive. We visit the Pinnacles and camp at Sandy Cape. We then go and explore Allendale Pool before visiting Geraldton. This is Little Bay, so halfway between Geraldton and Kalbarri. Awesome camping, 4-wheel drive access only, some soft sandy tracks to get in, and it is absolutely stunning. Having a couple of nights here. This is where we're set up, watching the waves come up. And come through here, right to the water. How's that? Dave's been up there fishing. Had a couple of little swims. It's a little bit weedy, but it's not too bad. The water is refreshing. And that's us. This morning when we got up, we gave ourselves a little challenge. We walked up that sand hill. There's a rope part way up. Whew, that helped. After checking out Hut Lagoon, we stop in for a couple of nights at Lucky Bay. Oh my goodness, what a spot. We go to the 4-wheel drive only section. So, a bit of fun getting there, a little bit of bogging, but nothing like letting the tyres right down to about 8 psi max tracks and a bit of forward momentum once we've worked out where the track was. Up and over the dunes, along the beach, and to the most beautiful spot right in front of the snorkeling section. Wow, we love it. Couple of days of beach hangout and snorkeling. This is Kalbarri. We've actually stopped to work here for a little while. Got a job at one of the caravan parks. We thought what a great spot to stop and work a little bit and base ourselves and check out an amazing region. This is the Murchison River flowing into the ocean. She's pretty brown at the moment. Just some typical floods that happen this time of year apparently. So, but anyway, it's really nice. And the township. It's a cute little village town. Okay, so we've got a day off and we've come out to the national park, so Kalbarri National Park. A few points of interest. First one is Z Bend. Come to check out. Look out, 1.2 k's return. All the river trail 2.6. Should be pretty good. Oh yeah, easy. Rightio, Davo. Ready to roll?
Let's do it.
So we're at the bottom of the Z Bend trail. As you can see, the Murchison is in flood. It looks stunning. There's a cracking little walk down to here. Bit of rock scrambling and stuff. Nothing too serious though, but look at this gorge. It's just gorgeous. Alright, we're up top at the lookout of Z Bend. So we've climbed back up. Fun little climb. So we're spending the afternoon exploring the coastal cliff areas of the Kalbarri National Park. First stop, Natural Bridge. Down at the beach now at Eagle Gorge. It is absolutely spectacular, stunning coastline. to the national park bright and early to get the sunrise out at nature's window. As you would have seen last time, there was people galore here, so we've bet the crowds, haven't we, Davo?
We have.
Oh, it's beautiful, but that's where the sun's going to rise. Bit cloudy, but anyway, still will be fun to check it out. That's it! Nature's window. Back at Skywalk. Only people here. It's not windy. We enjoyed the sunrise from nature's window, even though the clouds were covering it. This is epic. What do you reckon, Davo?
Pretty cracking.
Yeah, sure is. After working in Kalbarri for 4 weeks, we have finished up. We've made our way inland and starting to head north. We just did this awesome free camp on the Murchison River last night, and the next stage of our travels is the Shark Bay region, which we are super pumped for.